So we have these tickets that are sold on Saturday and Sunday, and we're told that the price on Sunday was 30% less than the price on Saturday. So let's say if the price was P here, 30% less means was 0.7P or 70%. And we're told that the total revenue for Saturday and Sunday combined was $6,150. So let's say if the N1 tickets were sold here and N2 here, the condition we have, this is the revenue on Saturday, this is the revenue on Sunday, and that's given to us as 6150. Question is, what was its revenue from the sale of regular admission tickets last Saturday alone? So we're looking for N1P. So I always like to do this with these kind of word problems where I know there are a bunch of variables. It's just helpful to see what we need and what the relationships are. So start with statement 1. The number of regular admission tickets sold by the museum last Sunday, and 2 was 50% greater than that on Saturday. So N1 plus 50% of N1, or you can write it directly as 1.5 N1. So that's our relationship. So I can replace N2 in terms of N1, 1.5 N1, and then 0.7P. Question is that enough to get this? And you'll notice that here we have N1P times 1.5 times 0.7. Now you don't have to compute this, but you'll notice if I factor N1P, I'll get this number here. And I would be able to compute this revenue part. You just divide that by this number. You don't have to do that computation. But 1 alone is sufficient. And then if we look at statement 2, says price of each regular admission ticket last Saturday was $10. So P is $10. That alone doesn't tell me anything because I don't know how N1 and N2 are. Because if you replace that with 10, then that's what we have, and I need to figure out N1 times 10, and I can't. So 2 alone is insufficient. The answer is A. Now, just to comment clearly, the trap here is C. This is for students, they would know what P is. They can plug that in. And from this, these 2 equations that we'll be then able to figure out what the number of each is. But that's the trap here. So that's why I think it's important to be able to give this kind of structure to the question so you can kind of see where the traps possibly are. So to summarize, the answer is A.